Shri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. Now, here in this chapter, this is explicitly explained that who is the supreme worshipable object. We are worshipping according to our capacity. We are worshipping somebody. At least we are worshipping our boss. Suppose I work in an office or in a factory, I have to worship the boss. I have to abide by his order. So everyone is worshipping. Now who is the supreme worshipable object? Krishna. How he is supreme worshipable object? That is explained in this chapter. Jat sarupam sarvakaranch jatcha dhiyam tad ubhavisam jnanamattam bhakti pratigyan. Therefore, if we understand that here is the supreme controller, here is the supreme worshipable object, then the problems of our life is solved at once. We are searching after. Just the other day, I told you one story that one Mohammedan devotee, he wanted to serve the greatest. He was serving the Nawab, then he went to the emperor, Badshah, then from emperor to Haridas, a saintly person, and from Haridas he was promoted to worship Krishna in Vrindavan. So, we should be inquisitive, intelligent enough. We are serving, everyone we are serving, at least we are serving our senses. Everyone, practically, they are not serving any boss or any master, they are serving their senses. Suppose if I am serving somebody as my boss, actually I am not serving his money, I am serving his person, I am serving his money. If he says that tomorrow you have to work free, you are getting $20 a day, now tomorrow I have no money, you have to work free. And you will know, sir, I am not coming. Because I am not serving you, I am serving your money. So actually we are serving money. And why you are serving money? Because with the money we can satisfy our senses. Without money we cannot satisfy these informidable senses. If I want to drink, if I want to enjoy such and such things, then I require money. Therefore, ultimately I am serving my senses. Therefore, Krishna is called Govinda. We ultimately want our sense satisfaction. And Go means sense. Here is the person, Supreme Personality of Godhead. If you serve Krishna, then your senses become satisfied. Therefore his name is Govinda. Actually we want to serve our senses, but the real senses, the transcendental senses, is Krishna, Govinda. Therefore, bhakti, devotional service means purifying the senses, to be employed in the service of the Supreme Pure. The Lord is Supreme Pure. In the Bhagavad Gita, in the 10th chapter, you will find that Krishna is described by Arjuna, Pavitram Paramam Bhava. You are the Supreme Pure. So, if we want to serve the senses of the Supreme Pure, then we have to become pure also. Because without being pure means spiritual. Spiritual life means pure life. And material life means contaminated life. Just like we have got this body, material body, this is impure body. Therefore we suffer from disease, we suffer from old age, we suffer for birth, we suffer for death. I mean, in our actual pure form, spiritual form, there is no such suffering. There is no birth, there is no death, there is no disease, and there is no old age. In the Bhagavad Gita, I have read it, Nitta sasatayang nahannati hannavane sarira. Nitta, although I am the oldest, because I am changing my body, I am a soul, pure, I have no birth, I have no death, but I am simply changing that. Therefore I am the oldest. So although I am the oldest, I have got my new spirit. I am always fresh. This is my position.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.